Hi all, we are back with the next video on Power Query. Hope you've seen our previous video where we formatted this data in a proper format. So before proceeding further, please do like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video and useful videos for your professional environment. Let me take you directly in the practical. So first let me perform the steps I have done previously. So here are the steps we have done earlier. So these are the applied steps. But post doing everything, we have to save our file because we want to use the same applied step for the next month or the same set of activities we require to do. So in Power Query, you have different options available for saving. So let's see. So we have to go to the file. There are two options coming here: close and load, and close and load too. I'm skipping as of close and load because once we click on this, it will import this data on a new tab in an Excel only. So that's already available in the close and load to. So I will advise you once we are on that. So click on this. So this window will pop up. Don't confuse by the word import here. This is saying import for the Excel only, not from the Power Query point of view. So we are exporting data from Power Query to the Excel. So it's that is why it's showing import. So we have skipped that first part, that close and load. If we click the close and load, it will directly select this table and a new worksheet, and it will open it in another worksheet. So that's a simple that we can do anytime. But there are other few options, like if I want to extract the data on the same page or same worksheet, I just need to click here. Then I need to select the cells. Here it's showing the what cell I have selected. Then I click OK. So it will export my data here. And as advised in the previous videos, if I change this and refresh this again, so it's a link table. Now we have other options available as well. If I right click here and click load to here, first one is the table, second one is the pivot report. Like it will act like a normal pivot table we create from any data. So in this case, our data is stored in the Power Query and we are creating a pivot table on that. If we click on it, okay, click OK because I'm about to override the things. Then I drag name here, values here, and it create me a sum of the sales made by these different people. If I want to count, I can change it, value field setting, and go to average or count, whatever I want to do, or I want a maximum of it. And if I want to again change it or look for the another options, again go to load to. It will create a pivot chart. Again click OK, then OK. This, drag it here, it will create a pivot chart. Let me show you the another one. If you right click again, go load to this one, the only create connection. This, if we are working on a huge data, what we are doing in the above three example, we are first we have imported data in the Power Query, then we trim the data and transform it as per our accordance. Then we are extracting back the data into the Excel. So it will definitely taking the space of your shared drives and the data where you are storing it on your systems. So this only create connection. This will help you to store the applied step, but it will not take your extra space or for the same data, because the data is same, but we are just transforming this data as per our requirement. And as per normal scenario, we can't delete our inputs in any case, so we need it because these are the link table, depending upon which if there is any change happen, these tables or all the option above, we can just by right click and refresh, we can refresh the table. If I click on here, so it created a connection only. If you hover over it, it will show you the results. So this is how it works. And the last one which left is the data model one, which I'm skipping as of now. We will cover it once we go to the data models in the later stages. Hope the topic is clear and you have understand the different option available for saving your work in Power Query. Make sure you save your data, otherwise you have to rework on it. Please do ask your queries in comment section. We will get back to you, and if required, we'll cover the same in the new topic. Thank you and have a good day.